Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming, and most likely you click on this video is because you want to know how you guys can remove a screen time passcode on your iPhone. Alright, and this thing can be very annoying, especially when you set it up long time ago and you forgot about that, or you want to set it up for your grandparents or your children. Alright, because you don't want them, you want to limit them on their time they can use on their phone, all this and that. But when you want to use the phone for yourself, alright, there is this screen time passcode and you forgot a password to it, and you're basically stuck with a phone that always has a limit to it. So today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually remove that issue, alright, using this software right here. So this is the PassFab iPhone Unlock, alright, and this thing has been really useful. Alright, I have used this software for a lot of other things, alright, especially like iCloud Lock. I'm forgetting passcode, all this and that, because all the time I have friends, family, elderly parents, all this, and they have all the issues with their iPhone itself, and this software has been really helpful, alright, to that. And today I'm going to show you guys how you guys can use this software to remove the screen time passcode on your iPhone itself. And this is one of the software that I would highly trust and highly recommend you guys to try out, because I personally use it. Alright, it's been really reliable. I use it without any issues at all, and after removing any of the issues I have with my iPhone, alright, I can still use my iPhone as per normal, save my own iCloud account, alright, and for screen time passcode there won't be any more screen time, alright, and everything just works per normally without any issues or glitching. So this is one of the best software I've actually used, alright, that I recommend you guys, that is really reliable. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself, what are the features it has, and followed by a quick demonstration on the whole unlocking process itself to remove the screen time passcode. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. Alright, as you guys can see right behind me, this is the software itself, and you guys can see it has a lot of features that can help you with any of your needs of any iPhone. Alright, so not only this does help remove screen time passcode, alright, this also help remove a lot of things or issue that you might have with your iPhone or your friends or anyone's iPhone in the future. You can use this to help them as well. So you guys can see they have unlocking of iOS screen. If you forgot your passcode and your Touch ID not working or Face ID not working, you guys can use this as well. We can remove any iCloud activation lock, disabling Find My iPhone, removing or screen time passcode, which is right over here, bypass mobile device management, and removing of Apple ID. So yeah, this is really awesome. Alright, you guys can see this has all the features that you need, alright, to basically like an iPhone hospital right here. Alright, so but today we will be mainly focusing on removing of screen time passcode, and how you guys can do that. Alright, just click on the removing of screen time passcode and connect your iOS devices to a USB cable to unlock it. Alright, so once you unlock it, and then just follow the on-screen instructions, alright, to get your phone, alright, the screen time passcode removed in less than a few minutes time, which is really fast, which I'm going to show you guys right in this demonstration right now. So basically, I have this iPhone that has a screen time lock on it. So it's basically to protect any users and limit anything to it, or especially if you're watching Netflix, all this and that, and for Netflix itself, right, there's a screen limit, so to make sure that you doesn't overshot your time limit. And you guys can see time limit reached, so you cannot watch anymore. And I really forgot my screen time passcode to it. You guys can see I forgot about that. So more attempt there will be an error, and you can see it was stuck, and all this and that, which is really headache. All right. And the first thing first, you have to make sure your Find My iPhone is turned off. Alright, if it's not turned off, please go ahead and turn it off. Alright, or you guys can use this PassFab iPhone Unlock to turn it off. Alright, right now you just need to connect your iPhone to my PC and just need to click on Allow. Alright, I just need to enter my device passcode, which is not the screen time passcode. Alright, so don't confuse that. And after that, alright, you guys go to your phone. It should say your iPhone has been detected, and just click on Start to Remove. Alright, and this time you'll take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on your phone model, and once it's done, it will say successfully remove screen time passcode. Once it's done, alright, your phone should reboot to the Apple logo, and after that, if you go scroll up again, alright, if let's say swipe out and let's go back to Netflix again and see if there's any more screen time passcode on it. If you remember earlier on, alright, there is no more screen time passcode, because earlier on there is a screen time lock on it, and now it is totally removed. So yeah, so this is how easy and how straightforward it is just to remove the screen time passcode on your phone right instantly. Alright, so as you guys can see from the demonstration, the whole thing is very simple, very straightforward. You don't have to be really tech savvy to do that. And the best part about this software is you guys can do it at the comfort of your own home rather than going to a third party, unlocker or remover where you have to drive like a few hours down, or you travel back and forth, the petrol cost, and yeah, you're gonna pay them a lot more for the prices you're getting than this software itself, because they go charge you a much higher price because they have to pay for rental, all this and that. So it'll be very costly, time consuming, where with this one you guys can just get a license, download it to your PC, laptop, MacBook, or whichever you want, and just do it right on the spot yourself at the comfort of your own home. Get a cup of coffee, few simple click of button, and bam, screen time passcode has been removed from your iPhone. It is that easy and that reliable. All right, so yeah, if you guys have seen the whole demonstration itself, or you guys want to quickly get the screen time passcode removed from your iPhone, or basically disabled from your iPhone, you guys can check out this PassFab iPhone Unlock. I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get it for yourself right now and start removing the screen time passcode on your iPhone. So like I say, all right, this software has served me really well. I've been using it to unlock my friends, my elderly parents, and my own iPhone that I bought from the secondhand market. I have a lot of issues with them, and this thing has solved all of my issue without any problems at all. I'm really happy, super reliable, able to update my iOS version, sign to my own iCloud, use my iPhone as per normal without any issues. I've been using that for about 4 to 5 months now, and my iPhone has been working really well. So if you guys want a software that is safe, reliable, doesn't break your phone, all right, you guys can check out this PassFab iPhone Unlock. I will link them the first link in the description down below, and you guys can go ahead and get it for yourself and start removing the screen time passcode on your iPhone right away. So yeah, that's all for you guys. If you find today's video really interesting and did help you solve your issue, do give it a thumbs up, all right, and comment down below your iPhone model as well. All right, so yeah, that's all for today, guys, and this is jForce Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.